My eyes feel so weak. When I take out the glasses, it's like I put on the glass. When I'm like just waking up and but still dreaming, it feels like there's like glasses in my dream. Like I could see like the glasses shape around my eyes. Does that happen to you with your glasses? I've got like the adjusting ticks already. I like that song. This song. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Amazing. So the public API has a uh, uh, the staging version of the public API has bot download. You can download the staging bots. It's not on main yet. Uh, I'll do that when it seems to be working, which I do think it seems to be working. Um, I'll do it at some point. Hello, you're early, or I'm late. So let's see. Player lib. Um. Gone. Love is really gone. Uh. And they have this string section. So I figured out that I can't uh, loop the bot without both information about the bot and information about the current time. So I can't have a completely timeless timer that you just offset it by a bit without either having the current time as state and current bot as state, or yeah. All right. Well, that's the cool song. What's this one? BB and Q. This is probably the song we ended on yesterday. Okay. So I know for sure. Hmm. Uh. Hmm. Uh, how? Okay. I it I want a bisection singy. Where's the head? Oh, it's a playback state. Okay, head. Where it like gets the number for every single gaba. Uh, mm. Next event, indeed. And then I don't expose these. The gubba. Yeah, so I want to delete loop offset. That's basically what I want. Damn, it's been 10 minutes. I've done nothing. Was I just yapping? What the hell? 10 minutes? Really? Mm. What the heck even does output do? Jump count. I see. Good. No. Wasm sound. Real? Rust. Oh. CPAL. Rust audio. Do they have Pipewire yet? ASIO. Buh. They have jack. Hey, Wasm. Hey, yo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see it. Ref cell. Bro. Din Fun Mutt. What the beep? Oh, there it is. Stream. What is run? Okay, so it actually is just writing the damn audio, which I guess that's fair enough. Okay, well, how does it work? Huh? Strings. Hmm. Web audio. Create host web audio. What you doing? Wasm Bindgen. Stream. Wasm runs in a single threaded environment. Cringe. Wait, really? Isn't that bad for audio? Buh. JS sys reflect JS value. JS float. Copy. That just seems... Can't we just not copy? WebSys audio context. For real? WebSys audio context. Okay. Audio. Oh, jeez. Audio. Please be good. Oh, it's just this. What the heller? F32. What? Um. Is this have anything to do with WASM? Surely I can have like freaking HTML media element type situation. Oh Jesus. HTML audio element. Good gravy. Mm-hmm. Load page. Play car horn. Okay, probably I want to use but like it's just like JS. Uh Ah, I'm a simulacrum of a sentient being. My brain feels strange. I walk and talk. But I don't think. I don't think anymore. I gotta think. Ayya. 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 Oh, okay. So let's see. Ooby dooby dooby doo. Timer. Timer. Time base plus time. Uh oh my gabagoo. Okay, so let's see. This the module outside. Get runtime. Uh, okay, let's see. Let's see. Can I do this? I gotta like make it stop being jank. Uh, Help. Time. Ah. 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 Eh. Oh. Why do blah, blah, blah. Oh. Couldn't I? Ew. I, f- I feel like this should never be there. This should be like this and like that. And then. Time, help, time. New time. And then this one puts it there. Time base. And then there's no loop offset. Ah. Ah. And then oh gabagoo. Time. Get run time. Is that even correct? Time. Physics time. Wait, I'm subtracting floats. Okay, but then, yeah, no, okay, that makes sense. Uh, hard to track externally. It doesn't. Um, let's see. Seek to. I'm discussing with 5-man. Oof. How do I do it? Set time. I think I don't want seek backwards, seek forwards. I just want seek to, and I'll let you query timer time. Okay. So it's always plus time base. Get time situation. What? Um. Yeah. Yeah. Time equals, but like, okay, get run time. Okay, so we got to do it. Okay, oh, huh? Oh, is it bot dot bot? It is, isn't it? Um, Okay, I should have a method. Okay, I'm gonna make a method. So this is gonna be okay. Minus loop offset. Indeed. So that is it. Is what it is. I don't know. We inner time. Simulation time. Time. Like, should I be naming these JSI like session time? I don't know if that's confusing. Like, it's all confusing, really. So okay, I think I should have a method. So so we have bot time. Yeah, we kind of have like bot time. Indeed. I could make times for all of these. No. I forgot. I actually have a no scale timer. I that might actually help. Okay, I think I need, or I would like to invent some more time here. So this goes from session time to physics time, but I think it should go to playback time, and then physics time is on playback time. So here we're going to make a new time. Help, how do you do this? Okay, time, go to demonstration. This is how you do this. This is how we do. Okay, so time equals time. No word. Pub time inner. Head time. Are we calling this head time? Timer state. What a hell. How did that get there? Was that added by someone? Timer state. Oh, that's this stuff. Oy, okay. Scaled. What's the other one? What can you do from here? Unscaled. I don't remember. Not real time. Not bad. So you have a timer that cannot be scaled. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, so the timer goes from session time to so-called time, I guess. And now everything is wrong. So this now returns time. And then now we have time. Wow. Wow. And then now I need to the Indeed, it's not time base. No. It is actually timer. And it's a timer real time help swizzles mine got common I okay, so we don't need session time. We do need use crate head time after time. Time enter as head time, playback time. Okay, so playback time goes to physics time. No worry. And then this does not use this, and it also does not use that. Ayya, ayya, ayya. Help, time, time. Who time? Who did this? Who has done this? I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this. Okay, so that's great. That's great. Great. Good job. Good job. Great. Great. Good job. So then time base, it's not real. It is not real. It doesn't exist. And it's not real. It's not real. We can say time. Self goober time. Help. Give to me. This is silly. Oh well. Because, like, if it's T, it doesn't know it's a time. I could use a trait, probably. Oh my god. So timer, dot time. Time. No way. Timer time. No way. Non-const method. So true. So true. Rusty boy. Okay, so then we want to make a timer. Oh. This is this is a timer fixed. That boy cannot be paused. Indeed. Timer fixed. Help. New time. Is this real? What happens? Who did this? New time. So at playback time 0, we will have gabagoo time something else. Relax. All right. Time base. Don't subtract floats. Never subtract floats. Never. No. Why don't I say start end? And we can go like this. Help. All right, and then we ignore all errors. And then we say, yo, what up? And then we say end minus start. And then that's easy. End clapping. Huh? Oh, dot time. Okay. All right. It ain't pretty, but it'll do the job. Homely, domely. Okay. Now things are making a bit more sense here. So now this is not real. We just say time. Bot time. Boom. And like in order to interact with the bot, you gotta do bada. But like so it's like enforced. The type is enforced. I'm enforcing the type. Typing. The type is typing. Something like that. Okay. Help. What's this? Seek forward is not real. Oh my gosh. Help. Help. Okay, so seeking. No. Endear. So there is only seek two. Endear. So I could say it's get playback time. Health. Get head time. Head. It's the playback head. Get head time. Okay. So then native payer. So seek forward. Mm. Uh. Mm. 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 So then I need time as playback time situation. And then we go. Haha. And then seek forward, do be doing let head time equal self dot head dot time ins dot time seek to ins dot time head time plus plus 2. Okay, so then that's the same thing over here. Minus 2. So no more such thing. There is no such thing. So then you see session time. So time is always session time. I don't know. Should I call this session time? Set the playback head position. Type situation. I don't know. Should I? To new time. All right, that's GG. And then robot go. Oh, it's not gonna work, is it? Because the loop is goop. Okay, how do I loop the? How do I head loop? Help. Set time. Oh, bot time, self time, session time, show, emer. Okay, so this is totally unused at the moment. Can I check the Scoobert on the Doobert? No, it's still broken. Okay, so I need to set the playback timer to 0 at the exact timestamp when the ba. The problem here is, what if the simulation is paused? So like, imagine this. It's playing, it's playing, it's playing, it's playing. This is the end of the playback where it's gonna loop back to the start. It's playing, it's playing, it's playing, it's playing, and then it like advances to here, and then on the next frame you pause it. Here you pause the playback, and it's now paused, but the last time it updated was here. So then you pause it, and then you call advance time. So it's paused at this timestamp. Oh, can I actually just do the trick? Oh, I think I can. I think I can just do the trick. Okay. Um, so it's behind a shared reference. So I'm gonna have to clone it, and that's okay. Uh, oh. It's this guy. Literary time offset minus help. It's like this. Real time offset is this guy. Bot duration. Okay, what do you say? Okay, so it expects indeed. I think this will work. Okay. So it actually doesn't need to know because it's just an offset. I think that fixes everything. Do I need this coerce? I do. But okay. Without session timestamp. So all it needs to do is like move the timer back, but it doesn't know when to reset it to 0. But that operation is equivalent to just minusing the timer offset. And that's what this is doing, I think. State scaled. Oh, do I need to? Health. Oh. No. Offset. So get time is scaled, and that's not what we're doing here. I think this will work now. It won't loop correctly for seeking, but that's okay. I can fix that later. All right. Forward, 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 forward. Backward, backward, backward. Okay. Pause. Cool. Okay, so it still works. Wow. Wow. Okay, so now I need to J the S. Okay, so seek forward. So we're instead of dooby dooby doo, we're gonna do seek to always. Const playback time equals to playback dot time. Situation, and then situation, and then that kind of thing. Should I rename this to like set head time? I think that actually makes sense. Because it is. It's set time. Okay, try seek to set head time. Okay, now we host. Wow. Go. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, and I can restart, and I can pause, play, faster, slower. Awesome. And this is all working. Nice. Um, abstract bot file timestamps. Introduce playback time to abstract bot file timestamps. So that's actually a pretty crazy change. Ooh. Yay! No more loop offset. jank is gone. The jank is gone. Oh, girl. Girl. Oh, I guess I should move the get function. So we have get head time and set head time. Right next to each other. So set pause, set scale. I don't know, man. I want to like have the things that make sense together to be together. Okay, I think these make sense together. This one is just kind of jank. I'm pleased. That order is okay. Not bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Make sure it works. Squeak. Pleased. Timer fixed. Let's go. Love it. Hey! No spaces. Do I still use a physics time here? Who uses physics time? Can I into float? Floating point. It was never meant to be. No. So I'm just using it to convert it. Okay. Oh, oops. This is wrong as well. Wait. This is actually runtime. Where did I see that? Common run get head time. Yeah, no, it's actually not a runtime. It's a run duration. If I had what's it called? Ideal point. I could like work with that. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, um. GG. Oh, hello. About. I think I want to make these goobs bigger. Okay. Um. Let's say. Oh, it's slow. I forgot. Cool. Neat, neat, neat. Yay! I'm happy that is improved. How else? How else can I improve this sound. It's pretty good. Blah. I think I want to add into. Wait. It would be convenient. What's up with this? Oh, bruh. Time. From time. Test time. I'll just add it here. Input T from time T for F64. Yes, sir. Value dot get as F64 divided by time 1 second. Get as F64. Const. Okay, bro. Oof. Okay. 32. Okay. Add a new common version. Why not? I think that's good. Oh my god, bro. Okay, and then that's GG. We can go in here and say 3, and then say. Is it only here? Dot into. Um, isn't that nicer? Um, is there any other dudes that are doing that? God damn it, Bobby. Uh, get as F64. Why don't we take a look for that? Yes. Archive. Indeed. Uh, libstate. Raw. I have a from time. Where was that? All right. So this needs it because this is doing the thing itself, and this is the actual central goob. Ah, I should have added inline. Crap. Yeah. Oh, I could add it to all of the things. Mall. Do I use this? Unlucky. Okay, so this is use time into yay. And does it still work is also the question. Ooh. All right. And then bot player refresh. Pause. Restart. Cool. Into feels like cheating. It's so insane that it's actually well defined. Cool. What else can I do with this? Sound? It's just sound. More. Do more. Oh yeah, was gonna make a UI for the native player with like iced or something. R. I would like to not do this. That would be nice. Gosh, what else can I do? What else can I do? Oh, these values are wrong. I can fix that. 0.3 is default. Sensitivity multiplied. Turn speed. What is the default turn speed? The game. Turn speed. There it is. Cool. Okay, so those are the actual defaults for the game itself. Cool. Oh. Right. I was thinking of like, how do you make the surface into a surface? Yes, and I was also thinking if you select the adapter. So it's doing this, and this is weird right here because it requires the surface very early. Um, but like the chances are is that there's only one adapter, right? I actually don't know. For Wasma, how many adapters are there? There might be a CPU and one for each of your GPUs. Hmm. 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 Uh, okay, so playback head, playback er, session, pause. So how I implemented it on Roblox Bhop is by pausing this timer. But I think that's a bad idea because you want to be able to pause separately from the the end of the playback. Mm. God, my timers are amazing. Look at this. Cannot be paused, cannot be scaled. Just like the doctor ordered. Oh my god. 208. What is this? 192. Oh, Hmm. So I have a new goal. Shush. Um, and that goal is. Why is debug over here? That goal is to have uh a brief pause at the end of the playback. I'm going to put away my coffee. I'll be right back. Brief pause at the end of playback. Just to like, because like it's kind of mainly because the Roblox game does that, but also because it's pretty abrupt. The way that it just goes bloop, and then you hit the end zone. It just like you hit the end zone and it instantly restarts. On the Roblox game, it holds at the end for 1 second, regardless of your playback scale. So if I slow it down, I don't have key controls. So if I slow it down, if I slow it down, it would still wait 1 second because like you don't want to stretch. It's just there to like hold for a second to like signify the hitting of the end zone. Right. It's actually not the end of playback. It's supposed to be the precise moment that you hit the So right now it's looping at the end of playback, but it should pause, wait. It's tough. I'll need all this machinery for... I forgot about streaming. Oh my god, streaming. Streaming file download. So all of my file formats here are designed to be streamable, and actually the API is streamable as well for the bot files. At least I believe you can do it. Yes. So in this format, there's a function. Excuse me. Function here, right here, that just reads the whole file. But this is a public type, this is a public type, and this is a public type, and this is a private function. Iter. Okay, it's a helper. Right, because it's like reading the whole file. Okay, so then the idea being pub extend from reader exact. Really? Huh. The idea being that you can, if you have a section of the file. Okay, first off, you need to know which section of the file to download. So like, let's say you have the first megabyte of the file. It's more like 20 kilobytes or something. Like 1 kilobyte. I don't know. It's tiny. It's tiny. Which is the file header, the first 16 bytes, and the block timelines, which is variable size. So that's like the beginning of the file. If you download the very beginning of the file, that's an index of the rest of the file. And once you have the block timelines, you can query the block timelines for where is this block? So what's going on? So in the timelines it says like this is a ordered list. Chronological order list of block IDs The block IDs are in file order. So like you have the file header, the block timelines, block 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yada yada. But the timelines are sorted by timestamp, and the blocks in file order are not in time order. Specifically, the first 3 blocks have initialization information, which is these offline blocks. And that has things like what's the current gravity, what's your FOV and stuff, settings. So it's just like information you need to like set up playback. And then the start of the output events. So like it's a series of positions, right? You were here, then you were here, then you were here, then you were here, then you were here. It's the beginning of the trail of positions that goes through the map. And then the third block is actually the end. So if you download the first 3 blocks, you are ready to start playback, and you can stream the remainder of the blocks as needed. And that's actually how the Roblox game works. And notably, all of that is right at the beginning of the file to give you a very good chance of downloading that. And actually, the file header even tells you how much you need. Oh, it doesn't. But you can figure it out. He has glasses. You didn't know? Yeah. It's helping me to see, definitely. I can now see in 4K, which is nice because I bought a nice monitor. And I wasn't using it to its full potential. So yeah, this library is already ready to go for file streaming. The map decoder library, not so much. Actually, I could probably do that without too much trouble here. Streamable bot. Ain't no way. Segment info, what the helly? Okay, map. I was trying to look at map. So the map format exists. Do I still have it chungy and bungy? Streamable map. Oh, BVH. Yeah, so it owns the file. That's no good. That's no good. So I need to have like some header stuff. Block ID. Oh my god. Resource map. Okay, where header? Map header. Hello. Spatial block header, resource block header. Gabagoo. So there's the file header itself, and that has 4 bytes that says sniffum or sniff B, like this, and that tells you what type of file it is. And then it has the version of the file, and then this is the minimum amount of data, total data since the beginning of the file that you will need to know the location of all streamable resources. Block count, block location. Bah, bak. Yes, so the file header has the block locations. But then oh, it's over here. No. The map has the block IDs. So the idea here is that you could have a file that contains a map and a bot if you wanted to, because the map just refers to block IDs and the bot just refers to block IDs, and the file has all the blocks with their IDs. And you could like interlace the data of bot and map so that if you load the beginning of the file, it has the like initial scene that you'll see loaded at the start area, and then the chunks of the map that you will see next are like in order that you will see them as the bot plays, and also the bot data is in order as the bot plays. And like, it's possible. It can be done, but holy smokes, that would be pretty involved. But like, cool. You load the first 200 kilobytes of the bot map combination file, and like, boom, one frame, you're up and playing. No need for to wait. It's all streamable. We love streaming, except it doesn't work. I thought very carefully about the file formats to try to make it streamable. But like, implementing streaming is crazy. Indeed. File. Yes. Pizza name's talking. So yes, so region, goodness. Data, readly, block, take, seek, indeed, are, indeed. Oh. Be ba ba be ba. So who file? No file. Do not the file. Not the file. File. It's no. No. File header R. It's hard. It's hard. Like definitely like this. So then this is like map header basically. But then yeah, that changes too much. Map header. Streamable map. Readly invalid header data mutt. Yeah. What? It's just supposed to be in the right spot. Oh, nice. New mutt file. Header. I see. File. Self. Oh. Yeah, it's already called map header. So rate limiting depends on nothing. Trolling me. What? It's glasses. Yes. They help me to see. Very strange. Having never worn glasses. Do I really need to do map streaming right now? I just need to change it to be like the bot file API, which turned out really nice. But it's like hooked into a lot of stuff. I'm confused. He said like, oh, we should change the permission groupings to be like this. And I misunderstood what he was suggesting. What time is it? Yeah, 20 minutes. Map header. So let me look at the bot thing again. Just need the API update. Is that, do you want me to do that? Okay. It's this guy. Zoop. Uh, pause. Wait. Yes. Pause. Golang is hard. Alright. Come on, Bara. Really? What? Squash them together, my god dang. Make it empty. My guy. Oh, it's drop. Okay. It's the same as dropping. Rename. You're trying to rage baby. You're reading too much into it. I'm actually just stupid. Okay. Am I dummy or not? Cat. Remove bots category. Use data dot bots subcategory. Remove bots category. Use data bot. Yay. Huge. Oh, I have this comment is stupid. Bots. Categorize. I had a nice joking comment message and I have nothing. Categorize bots requests as data.bots. Okay. We go. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes. What? What? What's all this? I see. I did the pull request wrong. Go. Help. Alright, now the man can click the GUI. Okay. That was harder than it needed to be. Reading comprehend. I need to work on my reading comprehension. GG. Map. Okay, let's see. I was trying to look at. Oh, it's. But file. Because it's nice. It is. The API is nice. So these are just those, like, the index. And the file header is like the numbers. So if you read this, you know how much of this you need to read. Hoorah! 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 So no, this is one block. This is all the stuff. Right, but you can drop it though. Cause like you need this junk. Oh, this is all the same stuff, right? Modes, normalized modes, vec normalized mode. E, BVH. Oh, oh. Okay, so this is like data, and then this is like, oh, you've done it. Here's a spatial index. Resource map. To block ID. Ooh, okay, I see. So it's a resource, and there is a block for that resource. Huh. Why is this T? Block ID default. Why is this T? I do not believe. Final references. It is only in this file. Okay, this is saying resource external. Oh, I see. So, right. So the idea is that you can create a file that uses remote resources. Probably that would be remote resources only. Okay. Okay, good job commenting. Render config. So this is read off the disk, and then it takes it and bakes it. Header dot resource blocks is generating the goob stuff for the goob here. So really what I want here is data R. And then re just read like this. And that's it. And then there's no R. So streamable, this is it a streamable map? This is yeah. So this is all the stuff you can do. Oh my god, bro. And then instead of block ID, it's a R. Oh my god, R. Is it the same R? This is on, yeah, I mean it's not really the same R. Load region re-region. Okay, it just blasts it in there. All right. I'm just going to start blasting, and we'll see what happens. Load mesh, load texture. No mutt self, just the regular old self. There's no such thing as mutt. Mutt cannot hurt you. Block ID, not real. Data, R. Mutt, I don't know. It's fine. What? Region. Okay, so we're returning a something. Result vec. Okay, buddy. Data. So this is freaking the data. Data are and so that's okay. Okay, so no. So no. Data. So the idea is that you know what you're doing, or it like helps you know what you're doing situation. So the idea is that you read the block, you figure that out, boo, and then freaking freaks. Read. Okay, yeah. So this is what's up. So nah. Self block ID meshes. Oh, block ID. Okay, so this is a two-step process. This is yeah, no, okay. So this is like get mesh block ID, and then load mesh is real. Result evacuate. So like that. You freaking freaks. Oh. Indeed, sir. Okay. So it tells you which block ID you need to get this measure texture. Right. So, okay. So the idea is that you go like you do something, so you do some sort of query. You're like, I'm here looking in this direction. What's the next block I should load? And so probably we do some sort of view frustum plane sweep through the BVH and load the closest stuff first. That sounds smart. But you can like keep going. What, like, I want to think of what's optimal and then think of what's fast. So like, you know the exact way that the view frustum is going to sweep if you know the bot. So you can create an exact order. Order. I guess it's like a partial sum where like if if you're playing the bot and streaming the map, and it's been 10 seconds since the beginning of the file, there's parts of the map that you're never going to see again. So you can just if they haven't been loaded yet, you can just put them off and do more important thing and load the more important ones instead. Sweep. So you're moving through space. So I'll need several BVH sweeping functions. There's all sorts of interesting ways you can use a BVH. Like you can have a point that grows into a sphere, and as it hits things, it hits the volumes as it grows. It's like, oh, I hit that volume. Now I hit that volume, and these are like regions of space which contain objects in the map, and that would be how you like sort items by distance from you. Is like I guess you could literally just calculate the distance and then sort it. You wouldn't need to do this like BVH traversal. You just define all leafs. Because like the header has all the leafs. It has all the AABBs. Oh, I kind of stopped in the middle of this. Help. Evacuate. Model mesh, I do believe. Get that mesh. Get that mesh. Get that mesh. Get that mesh. Wait. Oh, crap. Oh my god. So then... No. No. Mutt. Okay. So... No. Data is R. Okay, so Riddery, these functions are not here, and I can just delete these and then make them pub. And it's just, once you got a little blocky block, because like you're the one who has to load the file or download the file. You can't just abstract that cleanly. Like you can, but then you need a lot of code, and like you can just avoid writing that, and it's better. Result ampersand. Oh, true. I could totally just ampersand, and it'd be chill. Yay, lifetimes. We love lifetimes. No need to clone. Oh my god, bro. Okay. So now block IDs, we go like block ID equals self dot get read region block IDs. Model pairs. Who is this? Read region. So like it's looking for this. Doobie. Error file. Yeah. And then File is not real. Block reader. Got self. Okay, I see. Indeed. Okay, I see. So it needs all the data. Seek, block reader. File, it's a bad abstraction. I've done it dirty here. Into complete file. I mean, I could, at this point, it's going to read the whole thing. I could just require ownership, and that would work. Oh, self. Sure. R. Indeed. Okay. And then we say mut file, except that's not real. I see. Okay. Block. Indeed, sir. And then we say block like that. Okay. And then block ID, read it, and weep. And then same thing here. There's an extra line of code. That's what I was avoiding. But like, now it kind of makes sense. Okay, you don't need mut. Okay. Okay. So, file, data. It's just kind of reading, you know. Then if I change streamable map, now streamable bot looks bad. Yar. And I have to change that. Okay, who's complaining here? Required by a bound. What is up? Who is requiring a bound? Mut self. Oh. Oh, real. So real. Okay. So, nah. Nah. Right, so then I need to change bot as well. Bot. So then I can yoink it and sploink it. So, new data. R. Poison arrow. Indeed. Read all. Self segment. Does it? This is actually like a format, I think. Hell is that? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out as well. I think the time is nigh. Oh, right. There was some... I forget these things. New R data. So file is a major L. Append to segment. What does that mean? Segment? Bro, are you kidding? Like, push 4. Oh, this is crap. Wait, I'm question marking at the end just to do that. Just do like this, bud. Whoever wrote this sucked at Rust. Rust. Find segment. Galilee. Oi, 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 oi. Is there anything actually using this? I don't know. Neat. File. Append to segment. There's, yeah, okay. Load segment. Okay, I see. So it's like, this is dumb. This function should be on the segment. You goob. Like this. Segment append. Mut self. And then none of that. Data. R. R. Data. Ain't no thing about it. Data. Segment info. Self. Segment info. Shoot that poison arrow. It's catchy. Whatever. We'll go segment info for now. Situation, and then none of this. Segment dot append, and then y'all. There's none of that. And then we need the data. Good Lord. Segment info file. Murder. False. Load segment info is crazy. Okay, I think this is actually a data type situation. R. Data. R. Ooh. Segment info. So like get segment info returns a reference to a segment info, so segment map. What are you doing? I was not a Rust user. I'm so sorry. So segment.append, segment info, and a little blocky ready guy. This guy. Block. Oh. Yeah. And then none of that. File R. Trait bound init satisfied. sniff new R. What the tarnation? File R. What do you mean? Does it right, because I'm not passing in the file. I'm doing like data mud or something like that. Mutate immutable. Okay, bud. And then really, right. Sniff is equal to this, and then OK is equal to this. And that's like, you know, ooh, ooh, Mimi no like. Okay. File first. Okay, why am I doing question mark? Okay. There is clearly a lot of, what's going on here? Okay, so that is question mark. Found result. Yeah, question mark. Regular. Crap. Sure, whatever. Mutate. The rusty. Okay, so now the file is external. What do you want? File is more private. Qbox sucks. It's true. Just get that refactor that I did. That definitely doesn't also suck. Get that working. Alright, so this is freaking file. What the hell? Okay, so really, this doesn't make any sense. Really what we want is file header. None of this makes sense. Like this, you could transform a guy that would do things. But really what I want here is something like blah 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 blah. Oh my god. Something like the refactor that parents nodes to other fully unrelated nodes will. Do you mean nodes? You mean like Roblox UI objects? That's a mistake. Okay, it's just fix it and then it'll be fine. Okay, so block info indeed at Claude fix it all. Arm bot. File. Block ID. Block info. So indeed, U64. Oi, take seek IO error. What's up? Oh, okay. Where's the file? Open it. Roblox bot file v0. Keep it open, man. This is my reference. No, no, no. Seek from, take, seek. Mm-hmm. What's up? Start. Self. Okay, it's trolling me. This should be a troll as well. Exact size iterator. Oh, did I actually? No, it's dref, my good man. Oh, is this like Rust 2021? No. Okay, so this is not real. We don't do this. No. But what we do is header. Huh? Guess this should move up above. What we do is block info. And that's a pub function. And it is a block info. Whoa. Or an error. And then instead of data mut take seek, we have the block start and the block end. And that's the block info. And we say, hey man, no. Block info, start, end. Self to header is just header. Is just self. Block ID. Is it? Ooh. U32. Yeah, fair. And then file, not real. It's not a real thing, and it's not real. Why does it hate this? Exact size iterator. Like, literally. Okay. Len not found for range. Huh? Whatever, man. Indeed. Let's compare. Block info. Timelines, crazy. Block info So, okay, and this is what ID. Yeah, that looks very similar. ID. Len. I see. So I got rid of the gets with this. Okay, so now this code is, oh, block position, huh? Huh. That's probably a good idea. Mm-hmm. Header. So, not real. Uh, uh, indeed. Yeah. Remove arguments. That's not public, though. Is it? Why is this public? Oh! Uh, come on, bruh. Calculate size. So like, yeah, this is the header, and then this is the timelines, except it's different. Oh, I see. Oh, gabagoo. One. E. Do, 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 do. I wait. Oh. Ah. This is good. I'm digging in. Huh, okay. Uh, mm, okay. Indeed. I sneeze. um. Hurry home. So read all. Little header. Uh. File header. And then data R. And then we say header dot block info block ID hello, and then something, I don't know. Stop being weird. Crate. Time was 30 minutes ago. Indeed. I didn't see any activity. This is the middle of a refactor, but it's a very like look at the next red underline refactor. So I'll put it on a branch, put it on hold. Refactor. Decoder. Sniff. That's GG. I did a really good job on the bot file decoder. I was worried that it would be like too crazy, but there's 2 steps to decode things. So I gotta get that kind of vibe going on in the sniff library. It sucks. All right. The stream. Yeah, so I changed the API slightly. What did I do today here? Oh yeah. I introduced an additional inner time where you have the playback time, and that's like a 0. It starts from 0 always, regardless of the bot. The bot always has a sort of random starting time of the timestamps within the bot file, and that is abstracted away by this, and that's good. And I use my wonderful beautiful, strongly typed timers. It's literally just an offset. It's an integer, but it's a really fancy type safe integer that you can't use wrong. Yes! And I got rid of the loop offset. Oof, so good. Seek to, nah, set time. I should probably do some sort of, maybe I'll write that down. To do binary search and init head so that it's like mega fast. What? Wednesday. Yes. Good. Very good. Very good. None loop offset. It actually sets the internal timer using the same method as this to like seek it back. I added that. Added the default. Oh, God, it's just great polish. And there's not 3 separate seek methods now. There's just one seek method. This is just shuffled around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. And this is the only change to the JavaScript API. And the bot download API is out. People are downloading bots. It's on staging right now. We may have bot playback outside of Roblox within a week. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna end the stream and make money. Make money. All right. Goodbye.